Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another North Wales side-by-side video. Something different tonight. I've been doing a load of research and I wanted to know what are the best selling hybrid cars in Great Britain up to date this year. So I've run my figures from 1st of January to the end of March 2023, and I've put a top 10 list together here, and I'm going to start at number 10. The 10th best selling hybrid car in the UK to date is the Kia Sorento, and it comes in at £51,055. All the prices in this video are going to be base model, no options. In at number 9, our first Japanese car, the Toyota Corolla, with a base price of £30,000, 210. In at number 8, another Japanese car, the Lexus NX, with a base price of £43,000, 880. In at number 7, we've got another Toyota, the Toyota RAV4, with a base price of £36,000 and 60. Now, in at number 6 is a bit of a surprise. We've got a French car, the Renault Clio, with a base price of £22,095. That is the only French entry in the list. In at number 5, the Kia Sportage, with a base price of £35,270. In at number 4, another Korean car, a Hyundai Tucson, with a base price of £34,640. In at number 3, another Korean contender, the Kia Niro, with a base price of £28,810. In at number 2, we're back to Japanese cars now, is the Honda Civic Hybrid, with a base price of £33,815. And wouldn't you know it, in at number 1, we've got another Japanese car, and it's the Toyota Yaris, with a base price of £22,125. Now, isn't that a surprise? The king of the hybrids in Britain in 2023 is a Toyota Yaris. So what have we got in this list? We have 4 Korean cars made by the same parent company. We've got 2 Kias. Sorry, we've got 3 Kia, 1 Hyundai. We've got 1 French car made by Renault. And then we've got 4 cars made by Toyota. I'll include Lexus in that because Toyota own Lexus. And 1 Honda. To see so many Toyota products in that is not a surprise. It also doesn't surprise me to see so many Kias and Hyundais in the list. But the Honda surprised me, and the Renault really surprised me. Didn't expect the Renault to get to number 6. But there we go. Top selling hybrid United Kingdom, January 23 to March 23 is the king of hybrids, our beloved Toyota Yaris. If you'd like me to do another top 10 later in the year, lob me a message, let me know in the comments. Might be interesting to see how these move about later in the year. And click like if you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button and get notifications of all the new videos. Thank you very much for watching.